Good day, everyone. Welcome to our Zuit podcast entitled How to Boost Your Confidence in Coding. In this video, we'll be discussing the challenges and tips on how to build your confidence. Bago ang lahat, ako pala si Topher, isang Zuit IT instructor. And with me is also Ma'am Camille.
Salamat Sir Topher. Hi po, ako po si Miss Cam. Isa rin po akong Zuwit IT instructor. And sa episode po natin today, we will conquer our fears together and be courageous and also confident in coding. By the way, tama Sir Topher, no? Watching and clicking this video is already an act of bravery already. So, good job guys. Good job for your first step to boost your courage and confidence in coding.
Totoo. And also, yung pag-click pala ng video na ito is a proof na hindi lang pala ako and si Ma'am Camille ang nakaka-encounter ng ganitong issues. So, kwento na natin, ano-ano nga ba ang mga na-experience natin na takot or kaba relative to programming? Kasi ako, Ma'am Camille, natatakot ako like, hala, hala, gano'n ako matakot eh. Ikaw, paano ka matakot, Ma'am Cam?
Joke lang. Ako kasi pag natakot, parang si Chris Aquino sa feng shui. Pero, kidding aside, so usually, natatakot tayo kasi we think that we are not truly a developer or programmer yet. So without our skills and achievements, despite lahat ng evidences ng hard work natin or our success, tapos nagkakaroon tayo ng tinatawag nating imposter syndrome.
Hmm. So, ako naman, natatakot ako usually kasi hindi ko pa na-experience yung isang bagay. Like, lack of experience, kumbaga. Which, anon pa sa akin how to do it and finish it successfully. And actually, yung lack of experience na ito also results to a fear na hindi ko na masisimulan yung bagay na gusto ko. And I believe magiging confident lang ako or mayabang lang ako kung natapos ko siya.
Alam mo, agree ako dyan. Kasi I guess we can all relate. So listing it down, yung mga common problems siguro that we can list is imposter syndrome and also lack of experience. So everyone, so if you're also worrying about these problems, don't worry. Kasi yung mga confidence that we lost can still be rebuilt. So let's discuss ano yung mga ways or pwede natin gawin to rebuild yung mga confidence natin. Kayang-kaya yan. Tama ba, sir?
Tama. Let's start with impostor syndrome.
Game. Discuss na natin yung imposter syndrome. So for imposter syndrome, minsan hindi natin napapansin yung mga maliliit na tagumpay natin. Pwedeng maging too humble tayo or kind of defensive. Kunwari, for example, pagkatapos natin gumawa ng mga coding project, parang nafe-feel natin na meh, wala lang, di yan big deal. Pero hello, in reality, ang daming effort na nilaan natin para sa project, 'di ba? So, madalas sinasabi pa natin, swerte lang ako, hindi naman ako marunong. Pero at the end of the day, nagawa ko. O, 'di ba? So, bakit natin pinabababa ang sarili natin? Let's give ourselves some credit and every little win counts. So, guys, appreciate the small wins.
Oh, I agree. And okay lang naman na maging humble tayo. Okay, everyone, again, okay lang naman maging humble tayo. Pero recognize natin kung anong difference sa pagiging humble at kung minamaliit na natin yung sarili natin. So kung ano yung natapos mo na study or field of study, i-recognize mo ito to give you confidence sa tinatapakan mo na path. Ayan, panay tuloy ko, parang nay-nay, no? Okay, again, to
Mas
give,
favorite. Joke lang.
ayan. So kung ano yung natapos mo na study or field, i-recognize mo ito.
True.
Okay? To give you confidence sa tinatapakan mo na path or kahit pa sa natapos mo na, siguro sabihin natin, maliit or malaki mo na task, project or exams. Okay? Be proud of it. Kasi wag mo ikahiya na hindi ikaw yun. Ba't mo ikahiya na ikaw yun? Ikaw naman talaga gumawa nun. Okay? Kasi ikaw ang nakagawa nun, be confident.
True. Kasi kung
Okay?
ibang tao nga, sinasabihan tayong proud and confident sila sa capabilities natin, why not maging confident din tayo sa sarili natin, di ba?
Tama. And also, everyone, let us say also na, sabi ko also, no? Okay, let us say na kami din, proud kami sa inyo. So stand tall and own your achievements.
Yes na yes.
And okay, let's proceed with the next topic natin, which is lack of experience.
Experience.
Okay, now in case naman na ang confidence natin relies on experience and compared earlier na meron tayong achievements, hindi lang tayo confident. Okay, now what if we think na kahit saan natin tingnan ay kulang na kulang pa rin talaga yung experience natin? Then truly, sabi sitonado ako dun, no? Then truly, it affects our confidence. Okay, kapag wala talaga tayong experience.
Tsaka kung kanina, ang advice natin is to appreciate the small wins. Now here, we want to advise, in this case, to start small.
Oh, start small. Meaning small tasks. Okay.
Yes.
So kung ano gagawin natin small tasks, ano kaya pwede? Maybe create a list that you want or need to learn. Or find some programming quizzes. Or find
Okay.
some practice coding exams. Okay?
Or bukod dun, we can join coding communities. Meron ding mga coding classes. Also, may mga coding programs that you can join in to help you build portfolios or hone your skills in coding.
Agree. As coders, it's also important to find a supportive community. Sometimes nakakahilo talaga mag-solve ng errors. Lalo na kung mag-isa ka.
True.
Yung tipong siguro, imagine natin 3 days tayong nakatingala lang sa kikami natin. 3 days tayo
Totoo.
nung nakatingala lang sa kawalan, kakaisip ng bugs natin. Ang hirap, di ba? So finding the right group of people really helps. Okay? So not just help you in difficult moments, also they can also help you in your proudest achievements. And actually, there are scenarios na hindi talaga natin alam how to start. Okay? So, hindi lang how to start, where to start, what's next. Okay, that's why joining classes is also very helpful. Number one, para mag-guide tayo with a curriculum. Number two, it also provides us support kapag may mga tanong tayo. As in, direct support siya. Ibig sabihin may matatanungan tayo agad. Alam natin na may lalapitan tayo kapag mayroon tayong mga confusions. Okay? And this is with our instructors or teachers.
Pati rin mga classmates, di ba? So, just in
I
case,
agree.
if you're feeling unsure of your coding career, just remember, Sir Topher, sabay tayo dito that every pro was once a
Beginner.
Yan, tama. Alright. So, also, again, don't forget na meron tayong makakasama na community natin as developers. Hindi tayo nag-iisa. We are not alone. Tama ba, sir?
Tama. You are not alone. Ay, parang kanta ba ito ni Michael Jackson?
Sample nga, sir.
Hindi, nalimutan ko na. You are not alone. I am here for you. Nalimutan ko na kung ano yun.
Nice. And thank you, Sir Topher, para sa isang pasample, no? So, at the same time, everyone, going back. So, di bale, dito, pwede na itry. Di ba? May mga communities tayo. And also, pwede tayo makapag-communicate with our friends, mga kakilala nating mga developer or working na as in the developer field. Or they can join in LinkedIn, Stack Overflow discussions, Discord communities, or yung mga YouTube channels that shares testimonies. Why not? So also, you're not alone. Join a local or online community. Find a support group.
Tama.
So to wrap this up, Sir Topher, to remind everyone, if you feel that you're not good enough, practice appreciating the small wins.
If you think naman na you really lack of experience, start simple.
Nice. So if you're feeling unsure of your coding career, just remember that every pro was once a beginner.
And sabi nga kanina ni Ma'am Cam, if you ever feel alone, join a local or online community. Find a support group.
Else, please let us say that you can
Do
do
it.
it. All right. So salamat po ulit for tuning in into our Zuit podcast episode. So hopefully, you're able to boost your confidence in coding.
Remember lang din to like and subscribe if you want to see more from us and other instructors here at Zuit Tech Career Program. And if you have any suggestions kung ano yung gusto niyo na topic or kung ano gusto niyo matackle next, just comment your suggestion, everyone. Okay? So, again, sabi nga ni Goku, okay, see you all next time. Paalam. Bye-bye.
Paalam. Bye-bye, everyone. See you.
Bye-bye.